Welcome everyone. Thanks a lot for staying with us. You're watching Plain Speak with me, Shivani Gupta. On Sunday evening, India Gate turned into a war zone as parents, students, environmentalists and political leaders were protesting. The bone of contention was fundamental: their right to breathe clean air. Even as they were detained, several protesters said that they were upset with what they called was the government's lack of political will to address the air crisis. According to the Delhi police, the protesters had gathered at India Gate without prior permission. Now, the protest quickly triggered a political row between Delhi's current and former governments. While Aam Aadmi Party accused the present BJP government for pollution data manipulation, the Delhi government has countered, stating that pollution is a crisis that is a result of systematic neglect by the previous Aam Aadmi Party government. Even Congress MP and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi joined in the war of words on platform X, contending that clean air is a basic human right. Why are citizens demanding clean air being treated like criminals? Now, Delhi's air quality index has remained in the severe category for well over a week. But as many will point out, it's not happening around Diwali, and that stubble burning predominantly in Punjab continues to contribute to this poisonous air. Is the heightened attention on pollution then, this year, by Aam Aadmi Party, a belated and rather diabolical political narrative by a party that failed to curb pollution for 10 years in power? Or is it merely a deserved critique of the new BJP government in Delhi that has focused allegedly on pageantry and not on proven solutions? So who's really to be blamed for this mess? That debate is coming up in just a bit. But first up, let's look at the top pollutants that poison Delhi's air. This is of course year-round, but around this time, you would notice that around 5% is actually stubble burning. So 20.21% vehicular emissions contribute to Delhi's pollution. This is an all year round problem, but 5.39% comes from stubble burning alone. And this raises a very serious question that if we were to be able to solve this, would it not be much better? Particularly around this October-November time, where wind patterns and others also collide to make Delhi the cauldron of the worst possible air. Around 5% is also contributed by Delhi residential pollution. More can be done on this regard. 3.78% by industrial emissions, around 3% due to construction activities, and so on and so forth. Some of it is also contributed by nearby cities around Delhi. But here's the deal. While all other activities that are mentioned here do face some amount of curbing during winter months when the pollution is in the severe categories, there's actually no control on stubble burning, or it hasn't been enough, because it's going on, as we will show you in just a bit. Now that the fight continues between the previous and the present Delhi governments over the pollution mess, we'll also try and find out whether air quality is improving or is it worsening. So let's compare the figures from last year to this year, exactly the same dates. The figures this year in November show that air quality did improve a little bit. For example, on November 6, 2024, the AQI was 352, while in 2025, it's 311. So that's a difference of 41 points, and it is lesser. On November 7, in the week gone by, last year the air quality was 377, while in 2025, it's 322, which is a difference of 55 points. Some would say considerable difference as far as the amount of pollutants in the air is concerned. But on November 8, 2024, the air quality index was about 380, while in 2025, it's 361. So that's just a difference of 19 points. But the reason why the actual AQI readings getting better may not be sufficient or politically enough an argument to make is because the BJP government is facing a charge that either AQI readers are not functioning or they are being manipulated. What exactly is this air quality index controversy? Let's just quickly point out to what is happening here. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party has alleged that the Delhi government is indulging in data fraud, a charge that the BJP government has vehemently denied. The charge levelled against the BJP government is that water is being deliberately sprayed at monitoring stations, but BJP calls this charge foolish. Aam Aadmi Party claims water is deliberately sprayed to artificially lower the air quality index, again an allegation that the BJP has called politically motivated. On that note, let me also go across to Delhi's Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa joining us on exactly this charge. First up, that water is being sprayed to artificially lower the air quality readings. Please, Mr. Minister, first respond to this, because many reporters on ground have also found that there is a lot of spraying of water happening around these meters to artificially lower the readings. Manjinder Singh Sirsa.
There is no way to artificially see. देखिए, artificially lower करने का तो कोई तरीका नहीं है. You have to be a scientist. There is a scientific formula. The purpose of water spraying is dust mitigation. अगर dust नीचे आ जाएगी तो pollution कम हो जाएगा. यही water spraying स्प्रिंकलर्स पूरी दिल्ली में काम कर रहे हैं. जहां पे भी डस्ट है वहीं वाटर स्प्रिंकलर्स हैं. तो डेटा सेंटर जो होता है वो अपने आसपास के 2 किलोमीटर का AQI से देखता है. तो अगर उसके आसपास अगर वाटर स्प्रिंकलर नहीं करेंगे, ये किसने कहा नहीं करेंगे? वहां भी डस्ट है, वहां की डस्ट को भी रोकना है. और वो तो हॉटस्पॉट्स पे लगाए गए हैं. हर जगह की डस्ट मिटिगेशन करनी जरूरी है. अब टुमारो समबडी कॉल्स यू अप एंड से कि जी बीजेपी ने वहां पे देखा हमने जहां पे AQI लगी वहां से गाड़ियों की ना स्मूथ रनिंग शुरू करा दी है. बड़ी फास्ट गाड़ियां निकल जाती हैं ताकि पोल्यूशन ना हो. दैट इज आवर पर्पस. हमारा और क्या काम है? यही तो काम है कि किसी तरीके भी डस्ट मिटिगेशन करें, व्हीकलर पोल्यूशन कम करें और इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन कम करें. दैट ओनली 3 वेज. और अगर डेटा सेंटर जहां पर है वहां पे वाटर स्प्रिंकलर ना लाएं, ये तो बड़ी बचकाने वाली बातें हैं.
नहीं तो चार्ज तो ये भी है,
तो कह रहे हैं
मनजिंदर जी, चार्ज तो ये भी है कि सिर्फ आपने वाटर स्प्रेइंग नहीं कराया पॉइंटेड लोकेशंस पे. जो मीटर्स थे वो भी काम नहीं कर रहे थे. दिवाली के अराउंड आपने देखा होगा रिपोर्ट में क्लियरली आया है कि आधे से ज्यादा मीटर तो काम ही नहीं कर रहे.
देखिए, देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. चलिए आप मुझे 2 मिनट का अनइंटरप्टेड बोलने दीजिए. मैं सारे सवालों के जवाब दे दूं. मैंने आपकी सुन ली थी पहले सारी डिबेट. सुनिए, ये सारा सुप्रीम कोर्ट मॉनिटरिंग है. ये सेंटर दिल्ली सरकार के हैं. कुल 39 सेंटर्स हैं. इसको CAQM भी मॉनिटर करता है, CPCB भी मॉनिटर करता है. 0.00000 भी इसमें कोई छेड़छाड़ नहीं कर सकता. देश के अंदर सारी IITs हैं, ये सब वही मॉनिटरिंग करती हैं. ये एक जिनको ना ये लोकल मीटर लेके चले आते हैं, वहां खड़ा करके चौक पे दिखाते हैं, देखो यहाँ पे 500 है, देखो यहाँ पे 600 है. एक AQI जो है स्टेशन है ये आम आदमी पार्टी के लगाए हुए हैं. और एक AQI स्टेशन 2-2, 3-3 करोड़ रुपए का लगता है. अगर ये लोकल मीटर 200 का AQI बताने लगे तो फिर ये हटा देने चाहिए थी. इनकी जरूरत ना पड़ती. फिर घर पे बैठे सरकार को पता चलता रहता. ये सारे आंकड़े, तकलीफ क्या है? तकलीफ उनको ये है जो भी आपने आंकड़ा पढ़ के सुनाया. वो क्या सोच रहे हैं कि दिल्ली के अंदर इन्होंने 10 साल और 15 साल की गाड़ियां भी अलाउ करा दी. दिल्ली के अंदर इन्होंने दीपावली भी मनवा दी. दिल्ली में यमुना जी साफ करके वहां पे इन्होंने छठ पूजा भी करवा दी. दिल्ली के अंदर सारी बसेस भी इलेक्ट्रिक लेके आ गए. दिल्ली के अंदर ये मेट्रो लास्ट कनेक्टिविटी के लिए भी इलेक्ट्रिक ऑटो लेके आ गए. दिल्ली में 8000 इंडस्ट्रीज का इन्होंने पोल्यूशन रोककर उसका नॉर्म्स में लेके आ गए. दिल्ली की 500 गज से ऊपर की हर बिल्डिंग को इन्होंने मॉनिटरिंग करना शुरू कर दिया डस्ट मिटिगेशन के लिए. तो आम आदमी पार्टी को दर्द ये है कि जो 10 साल तक वह बर्बाद करके दिल्ली देकर गए हैं, वह दिल्ली की सरकार इतनी जल्दी काम करने लगी, हम लोगों को क्या जवाब देंगे? अब उन्होंने नई बात निकाल ली. वो ये सुनना नहीं चाहते कि दिल्ली की हवा साफ है. कहते नहीं 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 नहीं, हम नहीं मानते. ये AQI मीटर तो बता रहा है पर हम मानेंगे नहीं. मत मानो भाई, तुम्हें मानने को कौन कह रहा है? और तुम्हें मानने की जरूरत नहीं है. लोगों ने तुम्हें इसलिए घर बैठाया.
सिरसा जी, साफ तो नहीं कह सकते ना इस हवा को. अभी भी 350 से ऊपर की रीडिंग है
पिछले साल से. पिछले देखिए, आप बताइए, आप एक बहुत पढ़ लिख कर यहां तक पहुंचे हैं. मैं किसी से बहस करूं अच्छे नहीं, लेकिन आपको तो मैं कर सकता हूं आपसे. मुझे बताइए, क्या आप ये मानते हैं, अपने टीवी चैनल पे सबको बताइए, क्या आप ये मानते हैं कि 10 साल की जहरीली हवा जो हमें मिली है वो केवल 7 महीनों में ठीक हो सकती? क्या आप मानते हैं? आप बताएं पहले मुझे.
तो
मैं बताएं हाँ या ना में. आपके दर्शक आपको देख रहे हैं. बताएं क्या 10 साल.
This is I understand where you're coming from, and of course more is expected in this regard, but I want to understand.
पर हमारे काम नहीं, सुनिए, हम काम कर रहे हैं. देखिए, अभी हमने क्लाउड सीडिंग शुरू की. तो क्लाउड सीडिंग मुझे झाड़ उड़ा के नहीं करनी. IIT को ऑन बोर्ड दिया हुआ है. अब जैसे बादल आएंगे, 15% पे उन्होंने ट्राई की, इन्होंने शोर मचाड़ा, ओ जी देखो, ओ गलत कर दिया, क्यों करा क्लाउड सीडिंग. बताइए, मतलब खुद कुछ नहीं कर पाए और ये झूठ बोलते हैं, सारा दिन फ्रॉड करते हैं. आप मुझे बताइए, डू यू फाइंड एनीबॉडी बेटर देन IIT कानपुर? डू यू थिंक आई शुडंट हैव हायर्ड देम? डोंट यू थिंक दैट आई शुड हैव गॉन फॉर अ ट्रायल विद दैट? You just tell me on a TV channel,
Okay.
should I do or should I do? Tell me.
Since you raised cloud seeding, one clarification I seek from you. The clarification that I seek is this, that cloud seeding, you want to do a trial. I'm frankly, if you're asking me, I'm all for it. Anything is better than nothing. And in a country, we should be scientific and try whatever is possible scientifically. But the central government itself, this is what the other political parties are saying. Central government itself said that in winter months, it's not feasible. That it's virtually, a dead starting point. You will not have enough clouds to do cloud seeding. Then why did you go ahead with it?
Government of India never said this. You are wrong here. I can read that. Basically, I'm in a car. I would have read it from my phone. The government said that what proposal you have sent doesn't look feasible. Get us a proper proposal from DPCC. That is the government exactly said, get us a proper proposal from Delhi Pollution Control Committee, because they know what's the thing. Now, first thing. Secondly, you are also wrong here that in Delhi it is not, it will be feasible, and it is not just me. I'm not a scientist. Neither I have any experience of this. But when I took IIT on board, the IIT told me that they have earlier requested Delhi government. वो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के पास गए थे और पिछले 6 महीनों से धक्के खा रहे थे कि हम दिल्ली में करके दिखाएंगे, हमें मौका दो। पर उनको तो मोदी जी को ब्लेम करना था, इसलिए उन्होंने उनको मौका नहीं दिया। मैं आया तो मैंने उनको सारी परमिशन लेके दे दी।
नहीं, वो कह रहे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने जब आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार थी तो वो कह रहे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने परमिशन ही नहीं दी।
उन्होंने मांगी नहीं ना, उन्हें चिट्ठी भेजी एक। देखिए परमिशन किस चीज की मिलेगी, हमें सरकार ने परमिशन नहीं दी। हमने पहले एक बोर्ड पर ली आईआईटी को, उनको पेमेंट दी, उन्होंने अप्लाई की परमिशन। आईआईटी कानपुर ने अप्लाई की, हमने अप्लाई नहीं की। आईआईटी कानपुर ने अपना प्लेन दिया, आईआईटी कानपुर ने प्लेन पहले मॉडिफाई किया, सब कुछ देने के बाद उनको परमिशन मांगी कि ये हमारा पायलट होगा, ये हमारा प्लेन होगा, ये मॉडिफिकेशन है, ये तो परमिशन मिल गई। अब मैं आपसे परमिशन परमिशन तो तभी मिलेगी जब आप परमिशन मांगोगे। मांगी नहीं थी कभी।
नहीं, so Manjinder Sinha ji, what is your assessment of what you're doing that is working, not working, what more needs to be done? Because pollution is clearly a problem. You are also living in the same Delhi that all of us are living in.
See, it's a big problem. मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। पहले 4 चीजें आप समझ लीजिए। दिल्ली पे अंदर और कोई पोल्यूशन नहीं है। एक गाड़ियों का पोल्यूशन है, एक इंडस्ट्री का पोल्यूशन है, एक कंस्ट्रक्शन का पोल्यूशन है, और उसी का एक हिस्सा है जिसको डस्ट का है। तो डस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन से भी है और गाड़ियों के चलने से भी है। यही 4 चीजें हैं। हमने चारों के ऊपर काम किया। दिल्ली के अंदर 27 ऐसे इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज थे जो अनऑथराइज थे, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने घोषित कर दिया था कि इससे फैक्ट्री बंद की जाए। तो ना तो वहां फैक्ट्रियां बंद की आम आदमी पार्टी ने, और ना ही वहां डीपीसीसी के दायरे में इनको लेके आए। मतलब फैक्ट्री भी इलीगल चल रही है और पोल्यूशन भी दे रही है, उनके ऊपर कोई नकेल नहीं कस रहा था। हमने आकर उनको डीपीसीसी के दायरे में लेके आए और 8000 फैक्ट्रियों को अब तक हम ठीक कर चुके हैं। दिल्ली के अंदर हमने सारी कंस्ट्रक्शन जो 500 गज से ऊपर है उसकी मॉनिटरिंग करनी शुरू की, उनको रजिस्टर किया अपने पोर्टल के ऊपर, और उनको हर जगह साइट के ऊपर एक नॉर्म्स फिक्स किए कि इतना आपको वाटर फेंकना होगा, इस तरह से आपको वाटर स्प्रिंकलिंग करना होगा, डस्ट आने नहीं देनी। हमने नॉर्म सेट करके दिए। इसी तरह दिल्ली के अंदर हमने सारी बसेस को बंद किया, रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट की, और सारी इलेक्ट्रिक बसेस लेके आए। दिल्ली में लास्ट माइल कनेक्टिविटी के लिए हम इलेक्ट्रिक ऑटो लेके आए। दिल्ली के अंदर जितनी हाई राइज बिल्डिंग है उनके ऊपर हमने एयर कटर जो है एंटी स्मॉग गन्स लगाने का काम किया। दिल्ली के अंदर हम आज हजारों किलोमीटर सड़क जो है वो मैकेनिकल रोड स्वीपर से क्लीन कर रहे हैं ताकि धूल ना उड़े। ये सारे काम ऐड ऑन करते जा रहे हैं। आप सोचिए 10 साल और 15 साल की गाड़ियां भी चल रही हैं, दीपावली में मनाई गई, उसके बावजूद पिछले सालों से बेहतर हवा है। समय लगेगा। हम अगले साल में हमने 100%, आज ही मैंने 550 करोड़ रुपया माननीय रेखा गुप्ता जी के आदेश पे एमसीडी को दिया है, दिल्ली के पीडब्ल्यूडी को दिया है। 100% दिल्ली में अगले आने वाले सालों में सारी जो है बड़ी सड़कें हैं वो एमआरएस से साफ की जाएंगी, धुलाई करके साफ की जाएंगी। तो 30% पोल्यूशन तो इसी से कम हो जाएगा।
So you are promising by next year there will be 30% reduction in pollution levels in these months, October, November?
तो we'll see। हमें तो यही काम करना है ना, खाली ये 30% खाली हमें वायु उसका नहीं कम करना, हमने वायु काम कर रहे हैं। हम इसी तरह कंस्ट्रक्शन के ऊपर भी बहुत मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं, तो समय लगेगा। अभी आकर हमने लोकल कंस्ट्रक्शन को सबको अपने दायरे में लाए हैं। 6 महीने अभी हुए हैं, उनको नोटिस जा रहे हैं, उनके ऊपर एंटी एयर गन्स लगाई। तो इसमें समय लगता है दिल्ली को। हम उसको बेहतर करने के लिए निरंतर काम कर रहे हैं।
Okay, my final question to you. So you don't blame stubble burning in Punjab for what is happening in Delhi? You didn't name stubble burning. You're saying these are all Delhi-caused pollution, Delhi's own causes. 8 to 10% stubble burning adds to this, and that 10%
एड-ऑन्स इज अ बैडली एड ऑन, रीजन बीइंग कि जब आप 200-250 पे हैं और आपके 50 पॉइंट और बढ़ गए तो आप 300 पे पर चले गए। पंजाब की स्टबल बर्निंग की प्रॉब्लम कम हुई है, पंजाब में स्टबल बर्निंग आगे से कम है, लेकिन पंजाब में जो स्टबल बर्निंग अभी भी कराई जा रही है उसकी जरूरत नहीं है। पंजाब सरकार, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जानबूझकर वहां करवा रहे हैं। वहां के किसान अब अपनी पराली को बेचना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वहां पे केंद्र सरकार ने बड़े प्लांट लगा दिए हैं। मोदी जी के वो प्लांट लगने से अभी सारी पराली उन प्लांट्स के अंदर जा रही है और यूज हो रही है, लेकिन किसानों को जबरन पराली जलवाई जा रही है, ये जाति की जा रही है। पर क्यों कर रहे हैं छोड़ी, हमें उनको जाना नहीं है। हम एक बात जानते हैं, हम दिल्ली के एक को जब नीचे लाना शुरू करेंगे, जितना मर्जी पंजाब में जोर लगा लेंगे, केजरीवाल कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे।
Okay, I leave it at that. Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Delhi Environment Minister, thanks a lot for talking to us and taking all of our questions. With that, let's open this up for our debate as well. Delhi is indeed choking. The minister says it's better than last year's, and nobody can solve this institutional problem in 7 months. So who is really to be blamed for the politics being played on this? That's coming up.
मंत्र के अलावा इंडिया गेट या किसी दूसरी जगह पर प्रोटेस्ट साइट ना बनाए, इस चीज़ के बारे में उनको सूचना दी गई थी, बताया गया था। आज भी हम यही कह रहे हैं कि इंडिया गेट एक प्रोटेस्ट साइट नहीं है।
From 1st November, we have given an advisory to the parents. So number one is they can wear, we have recommended wearing N95 mask to protect them from the pollutants. And some children, they have also respiratory problems like asthma or any other pulmonary problems. So for them, it is recommended.
पॉल्यूशन की समस्या दिल्ली और उत्तर भारत के लिए नई नहीं है, मगर लोगों में, खास तौर पे पढ़े लिखे लोगों में, बुद्धिजीवी लोगों में गुस्सा इस बात का है कि सरकार लोगों को धोखा दे रही है, सरकार डेटा की फजिंग कर रही है, सरकार AQI के आंकड़ों में फर्जीवाड़ा कर रही है।
10 साल तक आम आदमी पार्टी ने दिल्ली की हवा को निरंतर गंदा किया, इसमें जहर फैलाने का काम किया, और अब जब आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बाहर होगी और पिछले 7 महीनों से रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार काम कर रही है, वो ये 10 सालों की दी हुई गंदी हवा को पूछ रहे हैं कि 7 महीनों में ठीक क्यों नहीं।
Okay, I want to go across to our guest joining us, Dr. Anil Gupta, Delhi BJP spokesperson, Anmol Panwar of the Aam Aadmi Party, Dr. Gufran Beg is founder and project director of Safar, and Dilip Cherian, Image Guru, is also with us. I'm not sure how many of you could hear the interview with Manjinder Singh Sirsa, but Anmol Panwar, I want to begin with you because he's clearly saying that, you know, the Aam Aadmi Party is doing a lot of drama about how much the BJP government has managed to do or not managed to do, but ultimately this makes you look bad because you were in power for 10 years. There's no point cribbing about a government that is 7 months old and suggesting that, oh, they've not done anything, while you sat on 500, 600 AQI yourself and blamed everybody else but yourself.
गुड इवनिंग शिवानी जी। शिवानी जी, आई हर्ड द इंटरव्यू ऑफ मनजिंदर सिंह सिरसा। 10 मिनट में उन्होंने 10 झूठ बोल दिए एंड आई विल एक्सपोज हिज हिपोक्रेसी एंड डुप्लिसिटी राइट नाउ इफ यू गिव मी सम टाइम। Today, Delhi is gasping. It has turned into a gas chamber. People are struggling to breathe. Hospitals are flooded with patients who are suffering from respiratory ailments. And it is time that the central government declare a national health emergency because this crisis is existential. Yesterday, citizens of Delhi, students, women and senior citizens, they gathered at India Gate to protest peacefully. And what was their demand? Their demand was right to breathe, right to life, right to healthy environment, which is enshrined and in the constitution of our country under Article 21 and which has been recognized by the Honorable Supreme Court. What they demanded was empathy, what they demanded was action, and what they demanded was a roadmap. But what did they receive? They received lathi charge, they received jail, they received suppression, they received detention. And now I'll expose Manjinder Singh Sirsa. Here's the reality. Not March 2025, not even 1% of 858 crore allotted to Environment Ministry for Pollution Control Scheme utilized. This is a parliamentary panel report. Manjinder Singh Sirsa
This is from, one second, this is from what time? Sorry, read the, can you give me the date of the report again?
March 25, 2025. I'll share this with you.
But how
I'll
does
share
March
this with
matter?
you. I'll
No, one
tag
second.
CNN
The
after
government
debate.
barely came to power in March. So why are you quoting a March report?
Let me complete.
No, but
Second
this report
lie. He
matters
said
nothing.
that,
No, this is
10%.
precisely the problem. This report would have mattered if it's a
Please-
government that is
please do not
continuing in
interrupt.
power like
Please do
yours
not
did for 10 years. This is a new government that came to power in February. You are quoting a March 25 report.
Isn't the central government ruled by BJP? Aren't they power for the last 10 years? Then why is it that India is the third polluted country?
No, don't change
Then why
goalposts
is it that
goalposts now.
39 of the 50 most polluted cities are in India? Then no, why? भाई साहब 10 साल से सरकार है ना इनकी केंद्र में. Is it only Delhi के जहां pollution है?
Let's
देश
talk
के हर
about
राज्य
Delhi,
में
sir.
pollution है. वहां पे तो कोई सवाल नहीं उठते. Secondly, yes, let me talk about Delhi. I was talking about Delhi only. He
Don't
said,
quote March and
Manjinder Singh
February
Sirsa
reports.
said that 10%.
Go ahead.
Let me complete. He said that 10% pollution from Parali is coming from Punjab. In 2021, here's the report. They submitted an affidavit before the Honorable Supreme Court. They said that only 4% contributed in 2021.
Okay.
And now, CAQM chief, their own BJP governed body, central body said that state on the cusp of stubble revolution. 85% drop in stubble burning in last 3 years. That means Punjab only contributes 1%. But we are not discussing 99%.
No.
We are not
The
discussing
figures in
99%
Delhi. One
pollution
second,
किस
sir.
लिए आ
The
रहा है?
figures in
We are
Delhi, I
only
have run those
discussing
figures.
1%.
One second. The
Third
figures
lie.
in Delhi clearly talk about
lie.
stubble burning contributing anywhere from 5 to 6% in Delhi.
Incorrect. I have shown you the data. In 2021, it was 4%. Are you saying that the central government submitted a false
Yeah, so
affidavit before the Honorable
I'm
Supreme
also
Court?
saying that it's
Or are
about
you saying-
5%.
Or are you saying, no, or are you saying that this reply which was given by the central government itself in the Rajya Sabha is incorrect?
Sir, 2021
Or are
and
you saying
2024 and
third
5
lie?
can be different situations as well. Please, let's not act ignorant to the data. Just
Yeah,
because it was
the
4%
difference-
quoted in 2021 doesn't mean it cannot be 5% or 5.5% now. They're all in the same
It's not
ballpark.
very difficult to understand it's not very difficult to understand that at that time there were many stubble burning incidents, but
Okay.
it has reduced by 90% in 4 years.
Okay.
So are
I
you
have to
still
take
saying
this
that,
to our
it
BJP
adds up to
representative.
4%?
Let me take these
Thirdly,
2 points.
10 seconds. Third lie. He said that cloud seeding के लिए हमने तो permission दे दी थी दिल्ली सरकार को. Here's the report. Delhi cloud seeding plan not feasible. This is the reply of ministry in Rajya Sabha. After consultation with CPCB, CAQM, IMD, which are their own central government agencies. ये
Okay.
एक नंबर के झूठे हैं, मक्कार हैं और दिल्ली की जनता की सेहत के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं.
Okay. Anil
झूठ
Gupta
बोल
ji,
रहे हैं
one
और आप
second,
इस
please,
झूठ
one
के
by one.
भागीदार हैं.
Anil Gupta, please
आप इस
respond.
झूठ के भागीदार हैं.
Please respond on the issue of the fact that you are not doing enough on pollution. See, you are in government now, 7 months, 8 months, fine. The public will give you some grace period and they understand well enough that it cannot be solved maybe in 1 year or even in 2 years. But are you being seen as doing anything is the big question.
Yeah, good evening to you and all the viewers. See, we have listened to the Aam Aadmi Party Pravakta. Also give me some time. You know, we got this in the legacy, the misrule legacy of the Aam Aadmi Party for last 10 years. If you compare the AQI reading of last year, the same day, which you have just shown, it is making a positive difference now. This month and the last year 2024, the AQI is less. Now, let me give you some other data. We got power in February after 27 years. February 2025 to September 2025, we have the best AQI in Delhi. It was nearly 200. That should be appreciated. Some of the reason may be the nature also, but of the efforts of also. Now I'm telling you what we are doing. See, it is true that pollution is a problem. What they have done last 10 years, they just tell lies. They have not done anything, not even a single point to eliminate the source of pollution. Now I'm telling you what we have done. They just put up the superficial smoke tower, the political motivatory source abortion studies, the odd even other thing. We are working two ways. First, we are working on the long-term goals of the elimination of the source. Second, we are working on the suppressing. The water spreading, the water sprinklers are suppressing, but we are also working seriously on dust mitigations. And how we are doing, as just Minister has told, Delhi has a road network of 28,508 kilometers.
Huh.
We are putting the mechanical sweeping machines to clean so that dust mitigation can be done. We are increasing
can I
our the
respond?
construction and demolition treatment facilities from 5,000 ton per day to 10,000 tons per day. We are working on the garbage disposal. These are the long-term measures it will take. Now, for the short terms, we are doing all this thing. Delhi has the highest number of air quality monitoring stations in the country. We have 39. If you compare with the other cities, mostly have 9, 10, or 11. This is true. So, every 3 to 5 kilometers
can I
we have
come
a
in?
monitoring station.
1 second, Anmol ji,
Please
one
don't
second.
interfere. Please don't. You know, the same monitoring stations are working today. They are the scientists. They are not the political peoples. And what rubbish they are talking is the fudging of the data. You take your camera there. Can the water sprinkling can be done on the machines of the monitoring station? Not possible. It will destroy the machines. The dust mitigation is a measure. What they have not done for last 10 years, they are saying you do in 7 years.
No, the criticism is that this so-called dust mitigation, it lowers the AQI in certain areas and their meters. But in lived reality, Dr. Arun Gupta, please understand, in lived reality, when any of us breathe on ground level, the air quality is seeming much worse than what the AQI meters may be showing. You may not be fudging, quote unquote, your attempt may be mitigation, quote unquote, but the public feels that the pollution is much worse than what the meters may be showing.
I'm giving you two examples. He's talking about the protest by some of them. These Aam Aadmi Party workers should have protested in last 10 years. If they have protested against their government, the situation would have been better. Second thing, we are admitting that air quality is not good. It is nearing 400, but it is better than last year's. But we are working on that. If you want me to clean in, why don't you take the figure of February to September? It was in the good, the AQI was less than 200.
Yeah, but those are favorable weather conditions for Delhi, unfortunately. And right now we don't have favorable weather conditions and wind patterns.
It is the both way. It is the intention. It is the work. The weather condition is there. Rain was there. But the government has worked on the dust mitigation also.
Okay. I want to quickly bring in our other two guests. They've been waiting very patiently. Dilip Cherian, do you believe the Aam Aadmi Party is coming across, because you're an image guru, do you think it's the Aam Aadmi Party that is coming across as too desperate to show after 10 years in power that, the new BJP government isn't doing anything? Or is there indeed an image crisis for the new government right now?
The new government's image crisis is that people are very angry at the moment, which has got nothing to do with them. But because they're doing things like the spraying of water near the monitoring stations, which have grown a lot in the last administration, the fact is that is visible and people know when you're trying to fool them. You can't fool them all the time. The second thing is that, you really have to recognize that the burning of stubble has come down. There is no doubt about that. It may be 5%, 6% or 4%. But vehicular pollution and the huge number which you had at the bottom of your screen, which is 53% from other reasons. Now, if you don't know what the other reasons are, there's a real problem in analysis. So I think that the image problem of the current government stems from the damage created by the previous Aam Aadmi Party administration and the fact that this government has not had a chance to go at it for 27 years is an extenuating circumstance. But that does not give them either a long leash or a chance to say, wait for next year. The cloud seeding experiment, having been done by IIT, I think should have been done 5 years ago, and permission should have been given by the central government. The fact is that with the central government having attempted to stymie many political moves by the Aam Aadmi Party, that party has an opportunity to blame the central government, which the central government could easily have avoided if they had given permission, and surely they would have also used an IIT or something. And there is no reason why the public must suffer. At the end of the day, the image of any government is made by the efforts that they are seen as making towards the public. Now, arresting the public for protesting is definitely an image damaging move. And saying that, oh, you should go and protest at Jantar Mantar isn't quite the answer. It sounds like a police answer, but from a political government, that's not an answer that the public will accept so easily.
Okay. Ultimately, the problem is that pollution continues to be in the severe category. Yes, this government deserves a little bit more time, but the public is really at the end of their patience. And they need a little bit more. Maybe the government could have also done something that, projected that they are more serious about this. And as Dilip Cherian very rightly pointed out, a sequence of events has played out. And that possibly suggested that there is more pageantry taking place and less actual work, or the work was unsuccessful. Dr. Gufran, our final 2 minutes, I'll give them to you. The problem also in Delhi is, there's one seasonal problem. Sir, please, I only have 2 minutes, please. There is a seasonal problem in Delhi, which is October, November. We can't deny any of it. But there is also the problem of, let's say, vehicular pollution. Now, what do you do in a metro like Delhi about vehicular pollution? Are we talking about steps that other global metropolitan cities have taken, where owning a car becomes virtually impossible? I don't think as a developing country we can go that route. So what is the solution for the long-standing contributors for pollution in Delhi?
Yeah, so thank you. The point is that 2 points I will make it. One, I will tell in general that in this argument and counter argument, in fact, there is a public which suffer. But we need to understand this from a scientific point of view. Everybody is telling correct thing, but then, for example, I will just give an example of the percentage contribution of the Parali burning. If you take an average of 1 year, 365, it will be 3%. If you take an average for 3 months, it will be 11%. But if you take an average for 1 day, it will vary from 1% to 40% also. So, this is the way we should be talking in a one single line on that particular thing. There is no doubt that Parali has come down. But coming to your question directly, that the biggest source for year long is the transport sector, which 40 to 45% of the thing which has to, and moreover, we should understand it is not only the car. Car contributes only 5 to 7%. But we talk about car because it's a Western model. The 2% of the high commercial vehicle and low commercial vehicles gives 25% of the transport emissions. So our priority should be aligned with the scientific finding. We should there are every challenge, every new innovation comes with a challenge, but I think we should get rid of as soon as possible diesel vehicles and petrol, and EV seems to be the best solution at this stage of time, provided that all the infrastructure and everything comes. So I think this is where the point stands here, that first days, then second comes our, the solid waste management. Obviously, with the Ujjwala scheme, we are tackling with the biofuel emission, but that need to be revived further. Or as far as dust is concerned, I am not really very concerned about dust, because dust provide you the PM 2.5, PM 10 most of the time. But we are more worried about PM 2.5,
yes,
which doesn't really go that much. Even if you put a water over there, it won't go much down. PM 10, PM 200, PM 100, PM 50 will go down. But that will have an effect, but will not have an effect.
So once again, can I? You are saying this whole controversy over the spraying around the AQI meters, it would not have had much impact on the readings.
As far as PM 2.5 is concerned, that is the reason that you must have seen that PM 2.5 concentration and PM concentration is more or less coming very close. Normally, it is a 1:2 difference.
Okay. All right.
But so PM 10 is going down, but PM 2.5. So as far as health is concerned, data is concerned, the one which is a lead pollutant which is being shown, based on which AQI is being calculated, probably it doesn't have that much of a difference.
Okay. Unfortunately, I've run out of time, but I do thank all of our guests for joining us.